shower, which is reminiscent of a camp shower. And here you'll notice you have a new addition to the family here. It's a 1969 Mansfield Simplex. This toilet looks better in this bathroom. It's white and it fits better too. It's got an original style handle. The beam is open front commercial seat. It's a white one. Why don't we give this a flush? I have YouTube user Seco2000 to thank for this. So shout out to Seco2000 for giving me the leads on this toilet. This toilet, believe it or not, it was actually lighter weight than the Compton and the 70 Cadet. Take out the tank. We got a Mansfield 210 flush tower, an original style handle, and a late 1980s, probably 87 or 88, Fluidmaster 208 fill valve. Toilet when I got it was actually relatively clean. It just had some mineral stains in the tank. Very little staining. It just very little cleaning was needed. The bowl had a little more staining, but some Barkeeper's friend and Lysol bathroom cleaner did the trick. So yep, toilet was just installed today, and we're gonna give it another flush before we end the video. Look at the way that swirls. I love the flush on these. I like it. Very happy with this toilet.